Hi, my name's Julian from White's Law, and we're Roland users. We've traditionally specialized in bookbinding. These days we really specialize in work that's custom, work that's a short turnaround, and really high quality products. In terms of media, we find that we can print on, using the UV machines, we can print on just about anything, whether it be paper, vinyl, buckrams, linens, book cloth. Even if something is really pitted or coarse or doesn't have a coating on it, it really doesn't seem to matter. We haven't really found a substrate that the UV ink doesn't handle well, and that goes for even fabrics with a weave, things that aren't necessarily perfectly smooth, which I'm sure other printers would have problems with, but this, I mean, because the ink just sits on top and gets cured, it provides a really nice result, regardless of how rough or strange the material is. We've gotten it to a point now where we can really do a lot of things that we feel other people can't do, offering our creative customers ways to translate their ideas into reality. Because we can offer so many different substrates and so many different finishes, it really allows us to cater to their needs. In addition, the Versa UV machines, they've got the white and the clear, which we've got both of these set up for. And in terms of embellishment, it really gives us an edge. We get requests to do spot varnish or embossing, both of which we can do. In terms of printing onto black or dark cloth, we use the white ink a fair bit to print underneath CMYK, which we've used machines from other manufacturers, and we tried them out with underprinting white, and the result we get on the Roland machines is far superior to other manufacturers. The Roland machines, and increasingly the Roland engraver, have really helped us diversify our product range and offer everything that our customers hope they can achieve. Increasingly, the creative clientele that we aim to serve are looking for an edge with their customers. So ultimately, it's not about us creating for them, it's them coming to us with ideas and figuring out how to execute them. And this machine, just with the clear embossing, the matte varnish, the gloss varnish, the white ink, the metallic ink on the solvent, it just gives us more weapons in our arsenal, I guess, in terms of filling their needs. I can't tell you how many times I've had someone say, "Oh, I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know, is this a digital process? I didn't realize you could do these sort of things." So if it gives our customer that edge with their client, they're certainly willing to pay a premium for those elements. In terms of support, anytime that we have an issue, if it can be solved over the phone, Roland really tries to help us in that respect, which saves us a call-out fee. Brent and Darren have been great in terms of servicing the machines, and every time they come in, it seems like we learn something new about how to run them better. To be honest, I'm not sure why we chose Roland in the first place, but once we had the LEC 330, we were really happy with it, really happy with Roland's service. Basically their commitment. I think we had some initial problems with the first machine and it got replaced, no questions asked, and you guys really took care of us in that respect. So when it came to upgrade and look at a bigger machine, there was no reason to go anywhere else because we've been so pleased with Roland's service and products. So if it isn't broken, why fix it? If we had a need for another printer in the future, I'm sure we'd certainly look at Roland first, just because of the customer service, the quality of the machines, and the support that comes with them. So I don't know why we would have any reason to look anywhere else initially. And assuming that Roland keeps innovating and creating new products that serve our needs, then yeah, certainly we'd look at another Roland.